Cayman Islands 4K, white sandy beaches, turquoise waters and vibrant coral reefs with relaxing music. Soft, slow chill house track, sound of gentle waves rolling over coral sand. Drone sweeps over turquoise water, quiet coves and coral patches lit by sunlight. In the Western Caribbean, 3 small islands rise from clear, warm seas. White sands, hidden bays, and vibrant reefs form a place where time slows down, and water, sky, and sun blend into a single moment of calm. Welcome to the Cayman Islands, filmed in tranquil 4K. White sandy beaches and quiet shores. Soft waves brushing empty white beaches, footprints fading into tide. From the famous 7-mile beach on Grand Cayman to smaller hidden sands on Cayman Brac and Little Cayman, the islands offer shores where soft coral sand meets crystal clear water. Sunset over calm water, beach chairs empty under leaning palms. Here, days drift by to the sound of waves, moments defined by light and tide, not clocks. Slow steel drum melody blending with sea breeze. Turquoise lagoons and shallow reefs. Schools of blue tang gliding over coral heads, rays of sunlight dancing across the sand. Beyond the beach, shallow reefs shimmer in turquoise lagoons, living mosaics of coral and fish. Parrotfish graze on algae, stingrays slide over seagrass, and the seafloor glows white beneath the sun. Aerial shots, bright patches of coral set in clear blue water. These reefs protect the islands from waves and shelter countless species, each part of a delicate balance shaped over centuries. Deep house bass mixed with gentle surf sounds. Vibrant coral gardens and wall dives. Close-up, fans and brain corals swaying with the current, colorful fish darting in and out. Cayman waters are famous among divers. Vertical walls drop thousands of feet, revealing layers of living coral, sponges, and caves carved by time. Sea turtles gliding effortlessly, barracuda hovering in blue water. Every dive reveals something new. A hidden tunnel, a sleeping turtle, or a school of jacks turning as one silver shape. Hidden bays and calm mangroves. Mangrove roots rising from shallow water, small fish darting in shade. Away from open sea, mangrove forests form quiet lagoons where life begins. Nurseries for fish and rays, calm water reflecting sky and leaves. Kayakers drifting through narrow channels, reflections broken by gentle paddles. In these still places, water and land blur, and silence carries only the sounds of birds and breeze. Island sunsets and night magic. Sun melting into the horizon, sky painted in gold, pink, and violet. Evenings on the islands are slow and luminous. Sunset light touches water and sand, turning waves into molten glass. Moon rising over calm sea, lights twinkling on anchored boats. At night, warm breezes carry music from beach cafes, and stars mirror themselves on the dark sea. Small villages and island life. Colorful wooden cottages, fishermen mending nets by hand. Beyond beaches, small towns like Bodden Town or Stake Bay keep a slower rhythm. Fresh catch shared among neighbors, stories told under palm roofs, and days measured by sunrise and tide. Palm trees casting long shadows over sandy roads. Here, island life feels connected, to land, to sea, and to quiet tradition. Reflections and the spirit of the sea. Gentle wave patterns under moonlight, sea foam glowing white. The sea shapes everything here, the land, the reefs, the people. Even the smallest shell tells a story of tides, storms, and time. Coral fragments, driftwood, sea glass. Watching waves break on empty sand, it's easy to forget the world beyond the horizon. Here, there is only breeze, salt, and light. Farewell and the essence of the Cayman Islands. Drone rising above beaches, mangroves, and turquoise water at sunrise. In the Cayman Islands, beauty is found in both the grand and the small. The endless sea, and the single grain of coral sand. Final shots, sunset over shallow reef, slow motion waves. Thank you for drifting with us through these white sands, turquoise lagoons, and vibrant reefs, places where the sea whispers its oldest songs. Thank you for joining this 4K journey through the Cayman Islands, filmed in cinematic UHD, set to relaxing music. Subscribe for more serene explorations of our world's hidden coasts and quiet wonders.